In this video, we'll learn how to copy data from one sheet to a new sheet in the same workbook. So let's import Open by Excel. Okay, now we declare an object wherein we'll use Open by Excel and load the workbook onto the object. So we load this. Now we will be using the Superstore so let me just delete this. We will be using the sheet returns and we will be copying all the data from here and creating a new sheet and pasting all the data from here to the new sheet. So see the sheets, so the workbook's name is dot xlx. So now the workbook load underscore workbook and the object has been stored in Excel. So now when we call Excel, we are calling sample EU superstore.xls. Now the sheet that we will be working with is Excel returns. So we just saw that returns is the name of the sheet from where we would be copying the data. Sheet 2 would be excel.create underscore sheet, and this would be the name of the sheet would be copy of returns. So now we would use a loop to move the cursor from one cell to another cell in both the sheets. So here this is the first loop for rows and we need another for each column in one row. So each column in now so sheet 2 dot says would be row is equal to I comma col is equal to j. So the loop for row is I, the first one, and for the column is j. So we'll just add I plus 1 and j plus 1. and the value should be equal to call dot value. It should be column and not call. Excel dot save, and we should write the entire name. So Control C and Control V, and let's see. And we need to close this first. So we'll close this. Now we would run. Okay, so it did not show an error. Let's see. Okay, need to open it again. So you see, the code has created a new sheet and has copied all the returns data from here to copy of returns. So if we check, so we had got 285 records in, we have got 285 in copy of returns, and we again have 285 in returns tab. So the code, so this is the way we copy the data from one sheet to another sheet in the same workbook. So we learn more in the next videos. Thanks for watching.